What is up everyone, this is Matthew from Lakhs. As you can see here, we have booked almost 3000 rupees profit today, and also looking at my orders, you can see that I have squared off the position which I had of 44,000 PE of 15th June, 950 quantities. I have first squared off 900 quantities and I have squared off another 50 quantities in the difference of just 7 seconds. So as you can see here, my PNL was around negative 1,30,000 yesterday or today in the morning, and when market closed in the evening from the same position without any averaging, I have booked 3,000 plus rupees. So if you think that there has been a huge risk I have taken and the reward is very small, it is because I was busy for the last 2 days. I mean, yesterday and today has been like very hectic for me, and right now I'm in Zostel Monar. I have checked in here and another destination trading video is going to come tomorrow. So as you can see, I have been busy, and this is what you call calculated risk. So even if my profit or my loss has gone down to negative 1,80,000 also, I would have easily managed it. So there has been some negative comments coming in all around saying that I don't know trading. So if you don't feel that I don't know trading, then it's okay. I'm completely okay with it. And also I would say that from negative 1,80,000, what I feel is I can trade with 5,000 or 10,000 quantities. So I have the intraday funds that I have pulled in this trade is just like 2% of the whole funds that I have. So if something goes wrong, if negative 1,84,000 is my, or even if I'm going down to negative 2 lakh also, then I'll be easily getting out of the position with a minimum loss after averaging my position with maybe 9,000 or 10,000 quantities. Scalping with 10 or 15 points would put me into a very less loss, or maybe I can go into a good profit as well. So this is what I have to say, and also you have to see this whole video because you will have an idea about how to get down from negative 1,30,000 to a profit of 3,000 or whatever. I was not planning for booking the profits today, but fortunately it has come up to plus 3,000. I was planning to average or maybe get out of my position with a loss of about negative 25,000 to negative 35,000. So we have got into a profit, and I'm very well happy with it. And we have 14 more trading days in this month. I will also definitely put out my PNL of June 2023. So jump right into the video and see how the packed trade went. And yeah, let's see the advantage of calculated risk. Good morning everyone, this is 8th June 2023, and as you all know, today is RBI Monetary Policy Day, and as we can clearly see here, Banknifty has opened on a gap down of about 40 points today, and it tried to move up till 44,275, which is an important resistance which we have been discussing in the last few days. So Banknifty tried to move up above 44,275, but from there is a red candle which is occurred, and then it is trying to fall down. But this fall can only be confirmed when market crosses below 44,150, and if that is sustained, then we will see a further downward movement, or else what we can see in the market would be a downward movement like this and a fly up towards the upside. And around 10:30 the policy will be out, and if the rates are not changed like last time, when on April 6th when the monetary policy decision came, the repo rate was kept unchanged. So at that point, in just one candle, around 100 to 130 points has been moved towards the upside. So if that happens this time, our position, which is already trading at negative 85,000, will be at a loss of negative 1.5 to 1.6 lakhs, which is almost 70% erosion in the premium. So what I feel is, if Banknifty is not crossing above this, then, and if it is not taking a support at this level, then we can see a terrible fall. But around 10:30 we have to properly see how market goes around 10:30, because when the rate comes out, and if it is keeping unchanged, then there can be a hike, or there can be an upward movement, or else there can be a flat movement in the market. If the rate is hiked, then we might see some bearishness in the market. So wait for 10 to 15 minutes after 10:30 so that you will get a direction and you can take your trades accordingly. So this is what I am planning for now. So let's see. And also I am traveling to Munnar today, so most of the time I won't be in the market because I'll be driving around for the time. So let's see how market is going to react with RBI monetary policy, and let's jump into conclusion only after that. So yeah, this is how my position looks like. So if we get a high of about 240 to 250 anywhere today, then I'll get out of my position and I'll save my position with the loss of about negative 20,000. So this is what I'm planning. So if this low of this candle is not broken by the next 3-4 candles, then we can expect a further upward movement, because this trend line, I hope this is the trend line which is being respected at this level. So let's see what is going to happen with the market in the next 1 hour 10 minutes. What is up, everyone? So we can see that Banknifty have moved up about 44,450, and from there it has been consolidating in a tight range for almost 1 hour and 20 minutes. And as you can see here, then it moved down to day's low, not exactly till day's low. It has not touched the day's low, but it has come down to almost 2 points above the day low, and then it is trying to move up. So what I feel is, if Banknifty is not breaking above 44,275, this can further come down to touch the point which is our one important support. So if Banknifty is moving down, then it will come down and it will touch 44,000, or else we will see Banknifty moving up like this. So this can be the two ways in which market can move now. Maybe there can be a different movement as well, but this is what I am forecasting. So this is how my PNL looks like. Oh, sorry, I'll have to refresh it. Okay, so it has gone up to negative 1,20,000 and it has come down to almost 80,000, I believe. Okay, let me just look into this thing. Yeah, okay, it has gone up to almost 187, which has taken my PNL to negative 70,000. So I am expecting Banknifty to move further down from this level if it is not sustaining above this level. So probably we'll wait, and I am traveling to Munnar, and as you can see, I am in the car right now. I'm on the middle of the road. I have my bags packed and everything. So I'm not averaging my position because I am like super busy with a different business that I'm doing. So we'll see what is going to happen in the market once I reach Munnar, and also we will average our position maybe tomorrow or when I get time on Monday. So today and tomorrow I'll be posting the video for the sake of posting it. I'm not saying that for the sake of posting it, but I won't be putting much effort in making the video. So today and tomorrow I'll be making some plain videos with my views and stuff like that. So from Monday I'll be averaging the position, and I'll get you a steady streak video wherein you will have an idea on how averaging works. So yeah, thanks. Let's see where market is going, because it is only 1 p.m. in the afternoon, and this is how my PNL looks like. Let's see. I'm planning to average this around negative 60,000 or negative 55,000. If this directly comes down to that level, or else I'll average my position and then I'll probably get out in a trade. And also there is this one guy who has been commenting a lot in my previous videos and saying that I'll be running on a loss of about negative 1 lakh. See, dude, this is not something I don't know. Okay, I clearly know my risk and my reward. So I know if my PNL will be going down to maybe 1 lakh or maybe negative 2 lakh also. I was expecting it to go down till at least negative 2 lakhs. So I don't have a problem with that, and you don't have to keep commenting, and if you want to keep commenting, then my interaction goes higher. So I don't have a problem with it. Most welcome with your comments. And also you said that I'll be going in a negative of negative 1 lakh, then I'll be building back that 1 lakh with a month, and then I'll be giving it back to the market, right? So if you have seen my previous videos, I'm not booking negative 5,000 rupees profits every day. There are days when I have booked 10,000 rupees, 30,000 rupees, 20,000 rupees, and 40,000 rupees as well. So this is how my trade goes. So if something goes wrong also, I know what to do with it. So please don't worry, and thanks for the concern, Mr. Trader. Thank you, guys. So my position, which was at negative 1,25,000 in the morning, has come down to less than 20,000 in intraday. So as you can see here clearly, Banknifty has moved down from 44,450, and again it tried to move up to take the resistance. If you can clearly see here, this is the resistance that we have plotted in the previous day. So what market did was, market moved down. I mean, from a high, market moved down, then it tried to move up again, and from there it fell down to below 44,096. All the levels that I have been discussing the previous days has been respected beautifully, and then market was coming down. So it has gone up to again negative 41,000, but I am just keeping it open like that. So probably in the next 15 minutes I might see some more bearishness in the market, or maybe a slight reversal towards the upside. So if I'm getting it again below negative negative 20,000 means I'll be getting out of my position, and I'll see what to do with my position. So I was monitoring the market, and it was like going clearly sharp down, and I was just waiting like that. This is the power of trading. If you really know what is happening with the market, and if you're very sure about what is going to happen, and keeping the position open means you are going to make a profit out of it. So probably I'll be having a negative 30-40,000 profit, loss now, but from negative 1,25,000 is where my PNL has come down to negative 35,000 or maybe negative 20,000. It has gone down below negative 20,000. So what I feel is market can go down to maybe 40,000, 44,000 or maybe 43,975. That's where I'll be making a good profit from the trade. So probably I'll get out of my position in negative 20,000 or negative 13,000 or something. Let's see what is going to happen with the market, and then I'll decide accordingly. So I clearly know my risk. My risk has gone up to negative 1,30,000, and it has come down by almost 1 lakh rupees or 1,10,000 rupees, which is crazy. So all the people who were like super concerned about my position, I'm very much thankful, and I really appreciate your concern for me. So this is my kind of trade. So this trade was taken with utmost precision, and I clearly knew market was going to react like this because I am a price action trader, and price action has never failed for me. So this is what I have to say. Please don't think that I am like super arrogant and all, but I am a little pissed off with the comments that has come in the previous video. I'm not pissed off. I feel sad for the person I feel sad for the people who are so much negative about what I am doing here. So yeah, that's all. Maybe I'm at negative 50,000 something. I'm negative 44,000. That's not a problem. We'll see what is going to happen. Again, we might see Banknifty moving down to 43,975. So yeah, that's it. That's all for the day. Let's see where market takes us today. So if you can see here, Banknifty has come down to the exact point that we have drawn before, 43,975. It was earlier 975. I think while I was doing something, this trend line has come down. So exactly it has touched the point, which has been a very good resistance in the previous days. So what I have to say is our PNL has come down to, I'll show you where it has gone up till. So our PNL has gone down to negative 6,000. So here, see. It has gone up to 264,136, which means we were at a loss of about negative 6,000 rupees, and still I didn't book my profits because I think I'll just wait for some more time, or else I'll square off my position tomorrow, or else I'll I'll square off the position between somewhere between 10,000 and 35,000. So this is what I'm looking at. Let's see what is going to happen in the market in the next 20 minutes. So the position which was at negative 1,30,000 has come down to profit, I guess. Maybe it has come up to a profit, as you can clearly see here. Okay, I'll just book my profit now. So probably yes. So I guess this is going to go up. Yes, so I have squared off 900 quantities, and we just square off the rest 50 as well. So we from negative 1,30,000 we have come down to a profit of 3,123 rupees, which is absolutely amazing. I could have waited for more, but this is what I wanted, because I just wanted to end in a instead of negative PNL, I just wanted to get into a profit and close my trade, because it was something I was looking forward to. So if I held this position, it would have gone much lower. Since I'm traveling, I don't have much time to invest in this, because this is something I'm this is a different vertical that I'm working on. So I would have been in a profit about 20,000 by now, but it's okay. So I've entered in a profit. End of the day, that is what matters. So yeah, that's it.